Hi, I'm in the botanical garden and today we'll learn nature words. When the sun rises, its light hits the mountains in a dazzling way. Dazzling adjective, very impressive or beautiful, or very bright. The blooming garden was blessed with pink and purple flowers. Blooming adjective, flowering or thriving. This forest is a flourishing habitat full of many types of flowers and animals. Flourishing adjective, thriving or prospering. Habitat, the natural environment of an animal or plant. Thanks so much. I'll see you soon and stay tuned.